Now I am going to discuss the concept of area of a trapezium. A trapezium is a quadrilateral in which two sides are parallel and two sides are non-parallel. Suppose we have a trapezium ABCD, then AB is parallel to CD. So we can say that AB is parallel to CD and AD and BC are non-parallel sides. So trapezium is a quadrilateral in which two sides are parallel and two sides are non-parallel. Now when we are supposed to find the area of a trapezium, we will take the height of the trapezium, let it be x. We draw a perpendicular to the base CD and the height will be AX. So if we join the diagonal AC, so the trapezium has been divided into two triangles. Area of triangle ABC is half into base. Base will be AB and the height will be AX. And area of triangle ADC is half into, now the base will be CD and the height will be AX. So if we are supposed to find the area of trapezium ABCD, it will be area of triangle ABC plus area of triangle ADC. So it will be half into AB into AX plus half into CD into AX. Now we see that AX is common in both and half is common in both, so we will take it as common, half into AX into sum of AB plus CD. So the area is area of trapezium ABCD is equal to half into height into sum of parallel sides. So this is how we can derive the formula for the area of a trapezium from the area of a triangle. Area of trapezium is half into height into sum of parallel sides. To sum up, we can discuss it again. We have divided the trapezium into two triangles ABC and ADC. Now the area of triangle ABC is half into base will be AB and height will be AX, because AB and CD is parallel. So the distance between AB and CD will remain the same. The height will be AX, and the area of triangle ADC is half into CD into AX. Now the area of trapezium ABCD is equal to the sum of the area of two triangles is equal to area of triangle ABC plus area of triangle ADC. So substituting these two values, it will be half into AB into AX plus half into CD into AX. Adding them, we will get this. So this is equal to half into height into sum of two parallel sides. So this is how we can derive the formula for the area of a trapezium, and it is equal to half into height into sum of two parallel sides. Now let us discuss a question on this concept. The area of a trapezium is 480 meters square. The height is 15 meters and one of the parallel side is 20 meters. Then the other side we are supposed to find. So let the trapezium be ABCD. Let AB be equal to 20 centimeters, because one of the parallel sides is given as 20. So we have taken AB as 20 centimeter. Height, that means AX will be 15 meters, and we are given that area of trapezium ABCD is equal to 480 meters. We are supposed to find the other side, that means CD. Let CD be equal to X. Now we have been given that the area of trapezium ABCD is equal to 480, or we can say half into height. Height is AX into sum of parallel sides. That means AB plus CD is equal to 480, because we have the two parallel sides are AB and CD and the height is AX. So half into height into sum of two parallel sides is equal to 480. Substituting the values, we will get half into 15 into 20 plus x is equal to 480, or we can say 20 plus x is equal to 480 into 2 upon 50. Simplifying, we'll get 15 into 3, 45, then 32, we get 32, it will be equal to 64 meters. So 20 plus x is equal to 64, or we can say, now that 20 plus x is equal to 64, so x will be equal to 64 minus 20, that is 44 meters. So the other side will be equal to 44 meters. So this is how we can find the other side when we are given the area of the trapezium. We have been given the height and we were given one of the parallel side. Formula for the trapezium is half into height into sum of parallel sides. We have assumed one side of, as it has been given that one side is 20 meters, we have assumed that AB is equal to 20 meters, AX is 15 meters, and area has been given as 480 meters square. We have assumed that CD be X because we are supposed to find CD, so we have assumed CD to be equal to X. Area of trapezium is 480, so half into this I have substituted the values and found that X is equal to 44 meters. So this is how we can find the other side using the formula of the area of a trapezium, half into height into sum of two parallel sides.